Here's another example that did really well. I modeled this actual graphic off of something I found in Google right after the Seahawks bought or won the Super Bowl, and I did this all myself from scratch, with the exception of the wings. And so I had this running for a while, and it picked up real quick. I only had this listed for a couple of days, I think. Let's take a look. I had it listed for 1, 2, 3 days, maybe 4 days there before I got pulled. It was just my rep said, I think you should take that down. Someone complained about it. So it wasn't like NFL came after me or nothing like that. I think it was someone maybe who had that original design that I found. It was very similar, but I did put my own bird in the background. I added my own silhouette. I did all this from scratch, and the only thing I took was the wings. So I'm thinking the wings probably what gave it away, but I doubt you could probably do that now because of all the pressure on Teespring, but I still wanted to show you examples that were working for me. This one did pretty good. It brought in 266 sales, so let's see how much that was in Teespring. $5,600, $72 there, and the ad cost altogether was that's not the right one there. I thought that was the right one. I think I got it here. Yeah, there we go. Total ad spend there, I believe, was it 22.43? Looks like there's some more there. Here it is. Okay, I had the wrong number there. So it made $2,000. I thought it was $3,000. Sorry, it's $2,100 that one made. That was pretty good in only 4 days. So that one was going real quick, and I thought I was going to hit up to like 1,000 sales. It was going so fast, but then it got taken down, and that was disappointing. But let's take a look at my ads here. I was focusing on Washington, 18 to 55. An interest was Seattle Seahawks. I was doing a CPC. I was bidding 48 cents. And that was desktop only. And then this one down here was mobile only. So let's take a look at the difference here. So the mobile only brought in, almost 4,000 web clicks at 33 cents per click. And this one brought in 5,000 web clicks at 43 cents per click. So it was a little bit better cost per click on the mobile. I usually just combine them together nowadays, and mobile always brings in a lot of traffic, but you always get sales from desktop too, so I always just combine them. If you really want to dig deep into a campaign to see exactly where the sales are coming from and eliminate a lot of costs, I know some people just stick to desktop. You won't get as many sales, but your conversions will probably be a little bit higher. But in the long run, you just get a whole whack load of sales. You'll sort of end up making more money when you spend more money. So the idea is, I spent $5,000, I only made $2,000, but let's say I only spend $3,000, I may have only got like a profit of $500, even if the conversions were higher. So the idea is I like to add both of them in there.